Fast dinner with cabbage, easy and cheap to prepare. Let's start today's recipe with half cabbage. Ideal is to cut into small slices, thus facilitating the preparation of the recipe. Tell me how you use cabbage in your recipes, I would love to know. As soon as we cut, we will put in another container and then add hot water, which will pre-cook the cabbage. I'm sure this recipe will become routine in your home. Once we mix, we will reserve. Now in a pan, we will add 2 tablespoons of butter and then with a spatula spread until the butter has melted completely. Then add the cabbage and spread evenly throughout the pan. Now in another container, we will add 4 eggs, one of the main items of the recipe, a tablespoon of heavy cream, and also a teaspoon of salt. Then we will beat very well until it has become a unique mixture. Next, we will add the egg mixture over the cabbage. We will also add mozzarella to taste over everything. Then we will cover the pan and cook for 10 minutes. We will also use a tomato, being ideal to cut into slices. As soon as time passes, we will remove the lid and with the help of a dish, we will turn the recipe. Next, we will bring again the recipe for the pan. Now we will also add 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and spread over the entire recipe. We will also add mozzarella on top. The amount is your choice. I use a lot because I like cheese. So is the tomato. To finish, we will also add some slices of calabrese, bringing more flavor to our recipe. Let's cover and cook for another 10 minutes. With this, we will have our recipe ready. Look how delicious it was. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Leonor Gonzalez, from Cuba. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I'm sure you will love and will always do. In my house there is never anything left when I prepare. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.